Hi all, welcome to Automate Resolution for Application Installation on Windows Operating System using Jira Service Desk and Rundeck. In this video, we are going to demonstrate application installation on Windows Operating System using user request from the Jira Service Desk and resolution from the Rundeck. The tool which are used for this scenario are Jira Service Desk is used for ticketing tool, Rundeck is used for runbook automation tool. Let's explore the workflow of application installation on Windows operating system using Jira Service Desk and Rundeck stage by stage. In the first stage, a user creates an issue with the required details for the application installation on the host machine using Jira Service Desk ticketing tool. In the next stage, when the ticket gets approved by the manager, then the Rundeck job will be triggered to install the application on the Windows host machine. If the ticket gets rejected, an alert mail is sent to the user. In the next stage, the Rundeck job will execute a script that has the instruction to install the application on the Windows host machine based on the issue raised. Once the Rundeck job completes, an email is triggered. Finally, an email for the completion of application installation on the Windows host machine is sent to the user. Let's see the pipeline in action. In the first stage, a user creates an issue on the Jira Service Desk tool by filling out the required details on the fields like project name, issue type, due date, summary and description of the issue, assignee name for approval, priority type from the drop-down list, provide user mail ID for notification, select the host name from the server list, and provide application name to install. Finally, click on the create button for issue creation. Now we can see the ticket has been created and it's showing for approval from the manager. In the next stage, you can see the created ticket for application installation is waiting for the manager's approval is shown here. Once the issue gets approved, a Rundeck job is triggered. In the next stage, the Rundeck job will execute the script to install the requested package by the user on the host machine. Once the installation is completed, an alert mail is triggered to the user. Finally, an email for the completion of application installation on the host machine is sent to the user mail ID. This is the complete workflow of Automate Resolution for application installation on Windows operating system using Jira Service Desk and Rundeck. For more information, please browse www.sbf.com. Please follow us on social media. Links are available in the description. Like, share and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happenings on the automated ops. Thanks for watching this video.